Good morning all. Welcome back to the IT class. In the previous session, we have started our fourth chapter, that is Python graphics. In that chapter, we have discussed about the basics of Python, isn't it? So, are you remembering all those? Okay, very good. So, today we can go with some patterns. Okay. Pattern using geometric figures. So, we are going to create the patterns. See, here you can see the code. This is the code for drawing the pattern like this. Okay, here we can see squares. How many squares? 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 squares. Okay, so the first code is that from turtle import star. That is the command that works for the graphic commands. Okay, we want to get the graphic output, so the first command will be from turtle import star. Next, clear off, then pen size. Here you can see two sections. Is this code is familiar to you? For j in range of 4, forward 100, right of 90. Yes, this code is used for creating the square. Okay, this is the variable. In the last class, I have given here I as the variable, but here you can see j. Okay, so we can use any variable for j in range of 4, forward 100, right of 90. Okay, this is an extra code. Okay, so what is the use of these two codes? For I in range of 6, then right of 60. Okay, so which means that this is the codes for printing the square 6 times, range of 6. So here you can print the square for 6 times. That's why here range of 6. And this right of 60 is for rotating the square by 60 degree each time. Okay, rotating. Otherwise what happens? The square will draw one by one up. Okay, so we want to rotate it 60 degree. Let us try. Applications, programming, idle. We want to open new file, then new file. Just type the code here. Okay, first from turtle import star. Then clear off and pen size is not necessary. Okay, if you want to increase the pen size, you can give that. I am just giving the code for printing for I in range. What is the range? 6, because we want to draw 6 squares. Okay, then put a colon. After that, right of 60 degree. Okay, then next for loop for j in range. Okay, j and I are the variables. J in range. What is the range for drawing a square? 6. Okay, j in range, forward of 100, then right of 90 degree. Okay, so we have completed typing the code. Now we want to save it. What is the extension for Python? .py. Okay, save it in your folder students work 10th by giving the name. You can give any name. I am giving 5.py. Okay, save it, then run it. See, while drawing each squares, it is rotating for 60 degree. Okay, now we can change it by editing the code. How can we change it? Yes, here you can add the pen size. You can increase the thickness for pen size. Now you can give here 3 or 4, any number. Okay, save it and run it. See, the pen size has increased. Okay. So dear children, did you got the idea? Yes, this 2 code is for printing the square 6 times and rotating the square by 60 degrees each time it is printing. Okay, and this code is familiar. It is the code for drawing a square. Okay, now look at the textbook. Here is the table. You want to fill this. Instruction from Turtle Import Star. What is the purpose of that? Yes, it is used to work the graphic commands. Okay, then clear off. Then for I in range of 6, right of 60, and the code for drawing a square. You have to fill this table. Okay. Activity 4.4, Python code for giving color. See, now you want to give the color to that pattern. Okay, only a single instruction is added, that is color of blue, and blue must be in the double quotation mark. Okay, so here where do we want to give that instruction? This is the instruction for printing 6 times and rotating 60 degree. After that you want to give the code for giving colors. Okay, let us try. Here enter color of, and in the double quotes you can give the color. Now save it and run it. See, the black color changes into blue color. Okay, so what is the code to give color? Color of. Color of, and inside the bracket you can add the color. See, color of command. What is the use of color of command? To give the colors to the outline. Okay, and you can give the color inside the bracket. Okay, next you can see here each square has drawn with different colors. Okay, so how can we give that? Here you can see an extra instruction, that is CLR. What do you mean by CLR? Color. Color equal to blue, brown, red, green, orange, purple. So here are 6 colors, which means we want to give 6 squares colors. Okay, 6 squares are here, so 6 colors must be needed. Okay, so color, CLR is a variable. CLR is a variable for color. CLR equal to, you want to give a square bracket, and inside that square bracket you could type 6 colors, and each colors are given inside the double quotes and is separated by using a comma. Okay, and for I in color, so let us see here. For I in range of 6, here you can see for I in range of 6. Instead of that instruction, here you can see for I in CLR. Okay, so range of 6 is changed. Range of 6 is changed here, and that ranges are changed to the variable CLR. Okay, after that you could give right of 60 degree. Then here you can see color of I. Okay, which means that I is the variable that we have given here. Okay, color of I. So for I in color means these 6 colors are stored in this variable. Okay, so color of I. We can just try that. After the pen size, you have to give new variable, that is CLR equal to, then open square bracket. then each color must be inside the double quotes and separated by using the comma. Okay, blue, then brown, after that you could put the comma, then red, green, orange, then last color is purple. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 colors are here, and you have to close the square bracket. Okay, then here you want to change this code. For I in range of 6, it is not needed. For I in CLR, okay, instead of range of 6 you could give for I in CLR. Then here you are given one color. Okay, so instead of that you want to give for color of I. Okay, color of I. Then we can just run it. Run module. Blue, brown, red, green, orange, purple. Okay, so how can we draw 6 squares, and each squares are having different colors? Yes, first of all you have to define a variable, that is CLR. Okay, and you have to given the same variable here also for I in CLR. Then here color of I you have to insert. Okay, next activity 4.5, filling color. Okay, you have to fill these squares with a color. For filling you want to give 2 instructions, that is begin fill off and end fill off. Okay, so what are the uses of begin fill off and end fill off? Yes, to fill the colors inside the patterns. Okay, so what changes here? Turtle import star, then for I in range of 6, then right of 60, color of black, color and blue. Here you can see black comma blue. What do you mean by black comma blue? Here 2 colors are there, isn't it? If you are giving only one color means it will be for the border. Okay, are you remembering the first pattern? Okay, color of blue means the border will be in blue color, but here you can see 2 colors. First one is black and second one is blue. So this black color is for the border, which means the first color is for the border and the second color is to fill the pattern. Okay, remember first color is always for border and second color is to filling. Okay, and also you have to add these 2 instructions, begin fill off and end fill off. Okay, I'm changing this. Now we don't want 6 colors. Okay, only one color, so we can just erase this code. For I in range of how many squares? 6 squares. I in range of 6, then right of 60, then inside this color you have to give 2 colors. What is the color of the border? Black. Okay, black color, then comma, then filling color is blue, so you have to give here blue. Okay, then a new instruction is needed to fill. What is that? Begin fill off. Okay, begin, then underscore. After begin you have to type underscore. Begin fill off, then here end fill off, end underscore fill of. Okay, so this is the code for giving the colors inside the patterns, and you want to notice one thing, the tab position. Okay, spacing. Here begin fill of, then just after that for, but this forward and right is just having some spaces. Okay, tab position, and this begin fill of and end fill of must be in the same position. Okay, if you are giving the end fill here, the function will not work. Okay, so it must be in the correct position. Okay, now save it and run it. Let us see. Okay, now we have got the borders with the black color and it has filled with the blue color. Okay, so one thing is important. What is that? The begin fill of and end fill of instructions should be at the same tag position. Okay, otherwise you may not find the colors properly filled. Okay. The instruction color of is given in a different manner in program 4.5. Okay, we have give two colors. So, color of black comma blue. The black color is for border and blue color is for filling. Okay, and just changing that. Here we can give any other color, yellow. Okay, and here blue. Instead of blue we can give red. Okay, just save it and run it. See, yellow is the color for border and red is the color for filling that. Okay, so instead of using squares you can use triangles. We already know the code for triangle. What is the changes? Yes, here we have to give 3, then forward 100, then left of 120 degree. Right. Okay. So just save it and run it. Okay. So we can draw the triangle also. Okay, we can also draw the hexagon. How can we draw the hexagon? Yes, just changing the sides by 6. Then here you want to give left of 60 degree. Right. Okay. Save it, then run it. Okay, we will get a pattern like this. Okay, so not only for squares but also for all the shapes we can give the patterns and we can give the colors also. Okay, I hope you all were very interesting to do this in your practical session, right? Okay, so we can do it fastly. So you want to write one word question and answer from this topic, and you have to read the textbook. You have to do the assignments from this portion. Okay, you have to write the code for drawing a triangle for 6 times without coloring. Okay, no need of giving colors. Have to draw triangle and it is for 6 times. Okay, I will just show that. You have to write that into your notebook. Okay, 6 times we want to draw, then rotate 60 degree. There is no need of coloring, so remove this portion. Begin fill off and end fill off is not needed. Okay, then here range of 3, then left of 120. Okay, save it, then run it. Okay, so you have to, if you want to draw this triangle for 12 times, what do you do? Yes, change this 6 and give that into 12. Okay, let us see that. What happened here? It is drawing and it is repeating, isn't it? So we have to change this degree. Right of, we can just decrease that. I am just giving right of 30 degree and just run it. See what is happening when I am changing these sides, number of sides and rotating degree. See, we have got a pattern like this. Okay, so you have to write this code into your notebook. Okay, just take a screenshot or you can pause the video and you can write it into your notebook. Okay, this is the code for drawing a pattern by using the triangle with 12 triangles and it is rotating for 30 degrees. Okay, so we can meet at the next class by the next patterns. Okay, thank you.